In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple workspaces in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, and setting up separate workspaces can help you keep everything even more organized and accessible. Whether you're managing personal projects, team collaborations, or just need to separate various tasks, having multiple workspaces can greatly simplify your workflow. So, let's dive in and get started on creating new workspaces. First, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Trello dashboard. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several account management options. Among these, you'll see an option to create workspace. Click on this, and we're on our way to setting up your new workspace environment. After clicking Create Workspace, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new workspace. This is a crucial step because this name will help you easily identify and differentiate between your various workspaces, be it for personal tasks, work-related projects, or any other area of interest. So, choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Once you've entered a suitable name, the next step is to select a type for your workspace. Trello offers several different types catering to various needs, such as business, education, or personal use. Selecting the right type can provide you with a more tailored experience. Feel free to explore the options and pick the one that best matches the intended use of your workspace. After you have set the name and type, go ahead and click Continue. And just like that, your new workspace is ready. It's as simple as that. You've successfully created a space where you can start organizing and planning your tasks and projects more efficiently. Interestingly, as of the moment we're creating this video, Trello allows users to create unlimited workspaces even if you're using the free plan. This flexibility is fantastic because it means you aren't restricted by a cap on the number of workspaces and can customize them to fit your ever-evolving needs. Whenever you find yourself in need of an additional workspace, you can simply repeat the process we just went through to set up as many as you require. And there you have it. That's all it takes to create multiple workspaces in Trello. Enjoy the added organization and focus that these spaces can bring to your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.